Hello and welcome. I'm back at Lowe's checking out the latest deals they have going on for this week. I'm in the hardware department, starting off here in the bit and nut driver section. Now, I covered in the last video where they have clearance deals on the different screw bit sets from both Bosch and DeWalt. And it looks like some of them they marked down even more. Like, for example, this DeWalt 1-inch 3-piece square bit set is now $1.22. It was $4.98. They have many different good variety of bits on clearance here. So if you need to stock up on replacement bits, might be a good time to do it in both the Bosch and DeWalt. On the DeWalt right angle drivers here, they have for 32 bucks, it was 40 bucks. You can get the Flex Torque 3/8 inch like kind of ratchet, right angle ratchet there. And they also have a 1/4 inch one for $27.57. It was $35. And they also have some good clearance deals on the Crescent nut drivers as well as different bit sets. So for example, they have the 7/16 nut driver for $237. It was $5.98. They also have the 1/2 inch one for $417. It was $5.98. They have a 2-pack of the 3.5 inch covered power bits by Crescent for only $10.97. It was $19.97. Things that these are good for is that these are like little sleeves on the bit covers, so it prevents from scratching like doorknobs, as the example that they put on the package. I do have a couple myself and they do work great. Other good deals from Crescent would be this 31-piece driver bit set, as well as bits with a hard plastic case. They have that on clearance for $8.97. It was $19.96. And another example, they have a 38-piece driver bit set for only $9.97. It was 25 bucks there. So pretty good deals there. If you're in the market for different screw bits and nut drivers, be sure to check out your store, see what they have, because I think also the Spider ones are also on clearance too. And they do have some newer items out. Like, for example, they have the DeWalt 3-piece socket adapter set. So it's a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. It's good for your drill driver or impact driver, so it's impact ready. That's $10.48. And they also have deal pricing on the different bit sets that they have. They have like square bits, 5 pieces of them, 3.5 inches long, that are $8.48 when they were 10 bucks. They also have Torx bits. And they also have a DeWalt 5-piece detachable nut driver set. Comes in a nice hard plastic case. They say it's a 5-piece cleanable nut driver set, so I'm not sure how easy it is to clean. I know with other nut drivers, I have a problem with it being magnetic and it ends up collecting metal debris in it. So I guess it's cleanable in that sense. It's easier to clean out. These are the sizes that it comes with. That's priced at only $13.98, and it was $14.98. If you're enjoying this video so far, I would appreciate you to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. And another note too is I'm running a gift card giveaway this month at the end of the month / beginning of September. I'm going to be doing a drawing for a $100 gift card. That's going to be good for either Lowe's, Home Depot, or Harbor Freight. It's going to be the winner's choice. Now, to qualify, you have to be publicly subscribed to the channel, as well as write in the comments below, DIY Crasher rocks. That way it makes you eligible to win. The software will pick through those names and choose the winner. Good luck to you, and thank you for subscribing. And they do have this drill block with non-slip pads. It has different sizes to help guide your drill bit in at a 90-degree angle. They have that on clearance for $5.57. It was $7.98. And they also have clearance pricing on the other Cleline professional drill bits. They're black and gold ones of assorted different sizes from 1/8 up to a 3/8 size. And they have different clearance pricing on each of them. For example, this one's $4.17. It was $5.98 for the 1/8 inch. They just have other different pricing. And the 3/8 inch one is $9.07. It was $12.98. Then they have this DeWalt 14-piece drill bit set, basically 1/16 of an inch up to 3/8 of an inch. For only $18.87. It was 27 bucks. Then also from DeWalt, they have this 30-piece screwdriving bit set in a hard plastic case, which is a good variety here. It has Torx square bits as well as regular screw bits, and a couple nut drivers, as well as an extension bit holder. For only $10.47. It was $14.98. So a pretty good deal there. And more clearance pricing on the Bosch. They have this 5-piece nut driver set here. It goes from a 1/4 inch on up to 1/2 inch. Clearance price is $10.27. It was $14.68. They have a pretty good deal on this Kobalt 24 volt high pressure air inflator. They have it currently priced now at only 49 bucks. That is saving $10. You do have until the 20th of the month. And they're running the same deal for the job site blower. It is brushless. Kobalt 24 volt, also 49 bucks. That is saving $20 there. And you also have until August 20th. And in case you missed my previous Lowe's video, this is the newer Kobalt deal they rolled out with. When you buy one of these select tools, you get a free starter kit. So those are the tools there, and then the starter kit is a $69 value, which is a 2 amp hour battery and charger. They are running this deal all the way until October 15th, so you do have a lot of time left for this deal. And you can look in the bottom left corner of the video, as well as the video description. I'll also put links in the description for these deals. That are available online as well. So if you use my link, just full disclosure, I will make a small commission on it, but I do appreciate the support. It does help the channel. All right, and here's another new deal they came out with from DeWalt. So when you buy one of these select tools for their 12 volt lineup, they have the 5 3/8 circular saw, the 2 different ratchets. It looks like a drill driver kit with 2 batteries. And then they have the drill driver and impact driver kit with 2 batteries and a charger. So you buy any of these tools, you can get a free 5 amp hour 12 volt battery, which is a $119 value. They don't mention on this sign how long this deal is good for. Not sure how long you have, but this will be another item. If it's available online, I'll have it linked below. And they're running a deal on the DeWalt 20 volt oscillating multi-tool kit. It has 8 pieces with it as well, so different oscillating blades as well as sanding discs with it. Comes with a battery, charger, and a bag. Priced at only $199. It was $249. And then they also have a deal on the cordless dry hand vacuum, the 20 volt DeWalt, priced at $129. It was $169. And they have the same price for the quarter sheet sander as well. For only $129, it was $179. And they're also running a deal on the DeWalt 20 volt. It is a 3-tool combo kit. So it comes with a drill driver, impact driver, and circular saw, which is a 6.5 inch one, 2 5 amp hour batteries, and a charger and bag. For $419, and it was $449. Then they're running a deal also on the 2-tool combo kit with a hammer drill and impact driver, 2 5 amp hour batteries, charger, bag for $279. It was $319. And you can save $5 on this DeWalt 100-piece drill driver bit set. Comes in a nice hard case there. I believe this is compatible with their storage system, if I'm not mistaken. So it's a nice clear case where you can see all the bits, screw bits, and even comes with some drill bits as well. So it's a nice all-around kit there to have on hand. So it's only $39.98, and it was $45. So here's the other DeWalt deal that they came out with, and I did cover it in my last video. It's when you purchase one of these select 20 volt tools from DeWalt, then you can get a $169 value of a 5 amp hour battery for free. It's when you buy one of these tools here. And you do have until October 19th for that deal, so you do have some time on it. If you wait till that long, they'll probably be coming out with something better than this. And these are the 2 brand new 20 volt full size miter saws that they came out with. I'm curious to know if anyone has any of these yet and how they like them, especially the 12-inch sliding compound miter saw one running on the 20 volt system. So it's $699 for that one, which is comparably priced to the corded version. I just wonder how powerful it feels versus the actual 120 volt one. And they also have the 10-inch dual bevel miter saw for $399. So again, I'd be curious to see how that one does being in the 20 volt battery. And they do have a couple clearance deals on some DeWalt tools. It is the 1/2 inch hammer drill with a 2 amp hour battery and charger, priced at only $107. It was $189. And another option is the compact drill driver kit for $189. It was $239. This one does come with a power stack battery, so that makes it even a better deal there, in addition to the other 2 amp hour battery. But this one is not a hammer drill. And they're running a pretty good deal on this Craftsman 61-piece socket set. It's in both SAE and metric 12-point sockets. So it comes with 39 pieces of the 3/8 drive and 21 other pieces, as well as 1 ratchet. It's a 72-tooth low-profile ratchet. It is a 72-tooth low-profile ratchet. The deal price is only $39.98. It was $60. So saving $20, that's an awesome deal there. And if you need more pieces, they do have this Craftsman 105-piece set. Comes with 33 pieces of the 1/4 inch drive, 45 pieces of the 3/8 drive, and 27 pieces of miscellaneous bits. They had that deal price at $69.98, and it was $99. And they have another deal on the Craftsman socket set. They have this overdrive 121 piece in both SAE and metric 6-point sockets. So they have 15 pieces in the 1/4 inch drive, 35 in the 3/8 drive, and 15 and a half inch drive, and also 10 wrenches and 45 miscellaneous pieces as well. Comes with the different ratchets. Looks like 1/4 inch, 3/8 and half inch. It says it removes fasteners rounded up to 70%. The deal price on this set is $149. It was $199. And then here's some more deal pricing on the DeWalt 20-volt drill. They have this one as a combo kit with 2 4-amp-hour batteries, priced at $239. It was $269. And then they have the impact driver combo kit with 1 4-amp-hour battery and charger in a bag for only $239. It was $269. Then they have the combo kit. I think I showed this one earlier. They have that priced at $339 and it was $369, so saving $30 there. And it is both the hammer drill and impact driver and 2 4-amp-hour batteries. And then here's a 4-tool combo kit for $449. It was $499. So it does include a hammer drill, a reciprocating saw, impact driver, and a flashlight. So obviously they always include the flashlight as a tool, but it does come with 1 5-amp-hour battery, and it looks like a power stack battery as well for that $449. So they have a Kobalt Days deal. It's when you buy this 24-inch aluminum 3-vial beam level for $27.98. You can get this free 9-inch aluminum 3-vial torpedo level for free, which is a pretty good deal. It's $11 value there. And another Kobalt Days deal, they have this Kobalt 46-piece 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive mechanics tool set. Deal price is $32.98 and it was $49.98. This is what it looks like. So they have it in both SAE and metric, 6-point sockets in both 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive. So it looks like a pretty decent deal there for only $33. Then they also have this Kobalt 10-piece drive tool accessory kit for $17.98 and it was $31 there. This is what it looks like. And the Kobalt tools do come with a hassle-free lifetime warranty. So it looks like a pretty decent kit there for only $18. And here's something interesting. They have this Kobalt 50-piece mechanics tool set. So it has a variety of SAE and metric sockets, as well as different bits, as well as an adjustable wrench and ratchet, and then a handle for the bits. So they have this priced at only $19.98 and it was $35. So it looks like a pretty decent, it's a great value for only $20. Then they have this Kobalt 3-piece folding hex key set. So that has the SAE metric as well as the Torx heads. So they have that price at only $10 and it was $18. And here's another good deal from Kobalt. It's the 10-piece screwdriver set. Again, it does come with a hassle-free lifetime warranty. This deal is priced at only $15 and it was $22. And more DeWalt deals, they have this 10-piece wood and metal reciprocating saw blade set with a hard plastic case. They have that on sale or as a deal price for $15.98. It was $20 there. And then they also have a deal on the DeWalt 6-piece millimeter socket set. It was $16 and it was $20. Then they have the SAE version for $16 and it was $20. This is what they look like. So they're impact rated. It does come with a 3/8 inch drive to be able to put in the impact driver. And these are the sizes it comes with, from 3/8 to 5/8. So a pretty good assortment there, especially for only $16. It's a good deal. Then they have the Craftsman bimetal reciprocating saw blade set. It's 11 pieces. It also comes with a hard plastic case to store the short blades in. They have that priced at $16.98 and it was $21.48. Then they also have a Craftsman 14-piece drill bit set for $13.98. So you're saving $1 on that. So they're running a pretty good deal on this Bosch red laser. It's a 40-foot cross-line laser. They have it priced at $79, so you're saving $90. And to sweeten the pot even more, they're offering, if you buy that laser, you get a free tripod. How amazing is that? It's a $75 value there. So it's a telescoping laser tripod made by Bosch. So it's an excellent deal if you're in the market for a laser there. It is only a 40-foot rating because it is red laser. But this would be great just for doing, like, say, one wall at a time sort of thing, kind of work where you're hanging trim or custom woodwork or shelves or cabinets. It'd be great for that purpose, especially saving $90 already on the laser by itself, and they're getting the free tripod. They are running this deal until October 29th, so you do have a lot of time left for that. So if you're in the market for a laser, if you're looking for something better than this, I did just do a review video on a Sigma laser where I compare that to the $600 Milwaukee M12 laser. I'll put a link up above and you can see the comparison video that I do between the two lasers. They're running an awesome deal on this Bosch 18 volt 2-in-1 impact driver. So it's both a impact wrench and driver. You can put the bits inside of the actual wrench part right there. So it's like a 2-in-1. They have that price only 99 bucks and it was 159. It does include a battery and charger with that as well. Another deal on Bosch is the 40-piece drive bit set for only 15 bucks and it was 20. This is what it looks like. So it's got a little variety of different bits, even the longer bits. The longer ones are always handy to have on hand, especially to get in the tight spots. It also comes with a bit driver as well and a nice hard plastic case to go with it. So it's a pretty decent deal, 15 bucks there. And some good deals on the Metabo HPT. They have the 16 gauge, 2.5 inch, 16 gauge finish nailer for only 129. It was 180 bucks. Excellent deal on that. Another great deal from Metabo was the 18 gauge brad nailer for 69 and it was 110. And they're also running some limited time deals on the different Spider circular saw blades. So they have the 7.25 inch 40 tooth saw blade for 13 bucks. The 7.25 inch 60 tooth blade for 18. The 6.5 inch 24 tooth for 10 bucks. And then the 12 inch 80 tooth one for 50 bucks. And they're running an awesome deal on the Flex 4-tool combo kit. It is a clearance deal, so it includes a impact driver, drill, 7.25 inch circular saw, as well as a flashlight. The clearance price is $389.37. It was $649. So it's 4 tools, includes 2 batteries and 1 charger. Another Flex deal on the 24 volt 18 gauge brad nailer. They're running a deal price at $259. It was $309. Then they also have on clearance the 24 volt Flex brushless 1/2 inch 2-speed hammer drill for only 118 bucks. It was 140. Decent savings there. And here's a 31 piece impact drill and drive bit set. So it's a pretty good assortment of drill bits and screw bits as well. Comes in a hard case by Flex. They have that price at $19.98 and it was $25. And another option they have is a 41 piece Flex Zone. It includes an extension bit holder and a couple nut drivers. They have that price at 29 bucks and it was 33. And here is the Kobalt 9-drawer mobile workstation. They have the deal priced at $398. It was $498. Has a whole total capacity of 1,200 pounds. It does come in different colors. This one in particular, a subscriber wanted me to feature this one in the video. It is a nice workstation here. I do have this one myself in this color scheme. I love it. It has nice soft closed drawers. It also has drawer liners as well. And it's been a great box. Comes on caster wheels as well as a handle, and it has a power strip here on the side as well as with 2 USB ports. I believe this is the same pricing they've had it at for $398. They just make it look like a deal, but this is what it's been at for quite a while. And I believe like during Black Friday time it goes like another $100 cheaper. So hopefully they do the same this year. Here we are, it's October already. Oh wait, I thought it was still August, but this is crazy. They have the full Halloween decorations on display already here in the middle of August. So you can either get your Bluetooth skeleton DJ or your 12-foot tall night crawler, or how about the skeleton, or even the scarecrow. They have many different options. They keep putting this stuff out earlier and earlier every year, it seems. So why not just keep it out all year long then? All right, that's going to conclude this tool deal video at Lowe's for this week. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this and give this video a like and subscribe. I really appreciate you watching and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.